I feel that I have created an environment that fosters well-being for myself. So it's really important for each and every one of us to cultivate the space where we are. I am Anina Rubio. I am a visual artist. Before becoming a visual artist, I actually had 5 jobs in the span of 7 years. But then after 3 years of just communicating with computers, I just wanted to pause and do something with my hands. So that's how I ended up becoming an artist. I'm now doing sustainable art that I call cajas. So this bookshelf, I think it's about 5 to 6 years old, but if you look at it overall, it's still very useful. I was able to finally secure these containers, these baskets. Just by restyling old furniture, you can give it a new life. In the long term, if you know how to take care of the things that you own, then you also save cost in the long run because you can preserve it. As much as possible, I try to give it another life by first fixing it. This applies to anything that I own. Clothes. I have a very limited wardrobe now that I mend things when broken. I feel that a lot of people are slowly becoming more aware of sustainable practices that they can do. Now there's more accessibility. The misconception that sustainability is expensive is being debunked. It always starts within you, at your home, your environment. Simple things that probably your parents have already reminded you about, like switch off all of the lights when not in use, save water, reuse containers. Sustainability also includes organization and cleanliness. So for me, I make sure that I invested in organizational shelves, storage areas where I already know, okay, these are the things that I have. Sustainability is all about managing your resources. If you're able to identify the things that you already own, you don't need to buy more. So my favorite sustainability quote that I live by is buy less, choose well, and make it last. I guess sustainability in general for me, it's not really necessarily just focused on saving the planet, but it's really all about each person partaking in small acts of kindness towards other people, towards yourself, towards the planet to build a sustainable future.